Qingdao Binhai Jincheng Foundry Machinery Company Limited is a manufacturer of surface cleaning in China. It's professional in the research, development, production, sale, and service of shot blasting machine, sand reclamation line, molding machine, sand mixer, core shooting machine. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, we manage to keep each machine perfect. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Skillful engineering team have strong ability to research and develop new type machines on request, and the team have obtained many national patents. In addition, Binhai has obtained ISO 9001 CE SGS certificates. The machines are selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in many countries and regions, such as USA, Australia, Iraq, Vietnam, Indonesia, Guatemala, Russia, Thailand, South Korea, Sri Lanka, Argentina, Chile, Iran, Brazil, Pakistan, Philippines, Libya, Mongolia, and get good reputation from them. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Customized service is available with best solution and full technical support. Choose Binhai Jincheng to get a win-win partner. Welcome to our factory. Welcome to China.